I'm actually happy that you were willing to come back after the last time, or the multitude of times that.
I don't care. To me, it's like I like spending time with you. I like coming
But
here.
your fans were very upset.
No, it's because they don't understand. Okay, I need my audience as well as Lou's audience to hear this. I think the way you've portrayed yourself on the Unbox Therapy channel, like you've been like you're saying earlier, all you do is yell and scream, right? You have this energy level that's built for that channel that does not represent who you are in real life, right? I think I see it a lot of times in Reddit. I see it in my comments. It's like, oh yeah, Unbox Therapy, he's a clown, doesn't know anything. It's like, are you kidding? Like this dude is one of the most intelligent people I've ever met and extremely knowledgeable about the stuff that we deal with, like tech and stuff. And I think a lot of it is masked by the energy, like the extreme energy level that you see on, or you used to see on Unbox Therapy. And I think that's this weird, it's like this fake thing, this fake like mask that you've built up that people can't see through. And I find it annoying.
So what you're talking about here is the idea of a brand,
Yeah.
the idea of a presentation, or a performance.
Right. But people never, not never, people rarely recognize a performance on YouTube when they see it.
Absolutely. And where I'm at is attempting to make the case that the vast majority of what you're seeing is a performance from myself and anyone included in this formatting.
Sure.
And that just because one is a more obvious performance than the other doesn't absolve the other performances from being performances.
Right.
They may map more closely to, they may be more convincing.
Right.
But the thing about Unbox Therapy is it has like almost 20 million subscribers. It's a really wide funnel. You know what I mean? It's like there is absolutely nothing that can be done that would be satisfactory.
It's too many people.
It's impossible.
Yeah.
Right? So is the expectation that anything should be satisfactory. Like I don't care, it's fine.
Right.
But it does follow you to a certain extent, in the sense that a person's first exposure to you is how they perceive the individual in its entirety.
Right.